If you go to your music, select a record, I'll turn it down so we don't get a copyright strike, and you'll see here if I click play, at the bottom it's just showing iPhone. So we go over here, you've got audio over the top, but you've got media here. Let me see, media there. So click on media. It's saying connect last device. So connect last device. Searching for Bluetooth audio devices. You only have to do this once, or you should only have to do this once. Connection failed. Okay, click that. So we'll go down to Bluetooth audio, over to Bluetooth audio, click on that, Bluetooth audio device list, click on that, Barry's iPhone, select. There you go, it's brought up, knocking on heaven's door, and Mercedes Benz Bluetooth's come up here. Sometimes it's different. I've just disconnected my phone from the system before I paired it again. So, but if all else fails, do it that way.